Hey guys, this is Jimmy with Valet, and today I'm going to show you our new Quick Swap RVR features if you have a 2024 or newer model. So the new back panel will actually come with finger screws, so no tool is needed. So in order to replace the battery, all you need to do is loosen the screws with your fingers. And slowly remove the back cover. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the battery right here, like so. You're just gonna grab this little metal rail bar and gently pull it to remove it. And as you can see, this is the port where it is connected. And then as you can see with our new Quick Swap battery, you can actually charge it externally from the unit as well as at the base of the unit. So I'm gonna remove the charging port from the new fully charged battery. With the top sticker facing up and the port facing downward, I'm going to gently insert it into the port. And then you will feel it click once it's been connected. And it should be resting in place like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my back cover, line it up in place, and then go ahead and thread my hand screws back in. Do not over tighten. If you over tighten, especially at the bottom, you can crack the plastic. Now that it's been fully tightened, you can go ahead and run your RVR unit. And you're good to go.